Hey friends, welcome back to Bitfumes. I'm your host Sarthak and you can also call me Ankur. In this episode, we are going to learn about the elegant relationship one-to-many. In the last episode, we have learned one-to-one relationship, but in this case, it's slightly different. So let's get into the work. For that, I will open my command prompt. I think you know all these things. So let's just quickly do all these things. Server is started. Copy. That's good. So what we are going to learn in this episode is one-to-many. And what is one-to-many? That means one thing related to many things. Obviously, simple as that. Okay. For this, let's assume there is a user, okay, and that user may have many mobiles, or you can say mobile number. And in today's world, it's very common to have more than one number. Okay, so in this case, one user may have many mobile numbers. Okay, so how will we get all these mobile number for single user? Last episode, a single user only have a single passport number, but mobile number may be different and related to only one user. Okay, so let's create these tables. That means we need a user table and we need a mobile table. Before going ahead, if you know how to create table, just click on the links on the side to go to directly where I have started one-to-many. For those of you who want to know how to make a table, let's go ahead. I will open my CMD. I will type PHP artisan make migration, and migration name is create users table, and for creating table name is users, and you can see here I used plural form users. Okay, when I hit enter, it will create migration for that table, and similarly for mobiles table, that means mobiles. We can see here database migration, there's two migrations are created. So in the username, I want the name field, and that name field will be string. Okay, in the mobile table, I want number to be integer, and another thing is user ID to which this mobile number is belong. So I have created the schema for the table, that means a PHP version of coding which tells Laravel how to create the table. So for creating the table, I will type PHP artisan migrate and hit enter, and you can see the tables are created. Likewise, I can make model for these tables, and model for users table is only user, not users, and similarly for mobile, not mobiles. We have successfully created the table. Let's see, does our table is created? Yes, our table is created. Okay, now we will just dump some data into that table. For that, I have to go to my artisan tinker, and hey tinker, come back. Yes, tinker is back. So just type here db table name is users, and in that I will just insert name as my name Sarthak. Okay, and next is created at new timestamp, new date, time. Okay, similarly updated at where, again date, time. Close and hit enter, and I will get an error. Why? Because I have not properly written everything, and it's true. So now just create another user, just replacing the name. We have created the users. Okay, now for the mobiles table, okay, number mobile, that means mobile number will be, let's say 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 in the repeat itself. Okay, then user ID, this is the important thing. User ID, let's say the user ID is 1. Okay, and there's an error. Why there is an error? unknown column mobile. So what the column name I have given? I have given number. That's why it's giving the error. Number, that means mobile number. Okay, so it is true. And just create another mobile number for this user. Told you one person may have one or more mobile number. So let's create another. It's fun. Yes. Okay, that's true. How will I show all these data I have just typed? So I will type app users and all, and we will get the result. Similarly, just check for mobile and it is created. Now the one to many parts starts here. Just go to your model, and here you can just create a function name mobile. That means you want to create relationship with mobile model. Okay, you will create here return this has many and then mobile class. So we have created the relationship. Just check this relationship. For that I will just show user with id 1. Okay, but I want the mobile number related to this user. Again, the tinker does not know the changes, so get out of this tinker and just again go back and hey tinker, get me all mobile numbers related to user id 1. Get all these things, and you can see here user id 1, user id 1 and user id 1. So when I type I want to get mobile number from user id 2, then it will return null because there is no data inside that. We have just seen here we get the relationship. Okay, and we are getting many results. So let's just do one thing. Here I will just say has 1. Let's see the result. So go out of the tinker, go again and just type here this, and you can see here only one result is fetched from the table. Why? Because I have used has 1, and now replace it with has many. Get out of that tinker, go back and find, you can see has many results. Okay, and the inverse of this, in the mobile model you just create user, and here you will return this, and obviously as belongs to user class. So for that I will just do here, I will just say mobile with id 1 and it will give this, but I want to get the user related to this mobile number. So I will type user and I will get null again because I have not go out of the tinker and go back. So just type and you will get the result. So you can see here how much easy is that. Just see all these things inside our controller and views. So go back to home. Here we have to type use app user. So after that we can fetch data. So we can fetch number, that means mobile is equal to user, find user 1 and give mobile, that means mobile number, and I will pass this with compact function and I will type mobile. Let's type mobiles because there are many mobile number. So I have just passed this data to my view welcome. So just go to welcome.blade.php, and here I will do what I will do. I will just create a for each loop because I have many of the elements. So let's just type here mobiles. We can say mobile. Here I will type h4 and like this, and inside that I will just echo mobile and number and close this, then go back here, refresh the page, and yes, you can see all these three are here. So how much easy is that? we have successfully learned the one-to-many relationship. If you have any doubt, just please comment me and do subscribe. I think you have subscribed already. If not, just subscribe. There is a link below. If you have any problem, just feel free to know me and I will surely make a video for you if you have any problem in learning any concept. So please subscribe and we will meet in the next episode. So thank you.